Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki again. I'm back with another 1/500 scale airliner review. Today we're going to be looking at the Herpa Lufthansa Airbus A319-100. This is Herpa catalog number 515955. It is a 2010 release. It was discontinued in 2011. It's unlimited and is the first version of the... Well, actually that's wrong. I don't know why they put that on there. This is not the first version. This is actually an updated version of another model that I just did. Comes in the 1990s colors with Lu and Cosmo logos. Has Star Alliance logos, cockpit window frames, and silver colored landing gear struts. And is a new generation 5. The second version actually comes with gray landing gear struts. This one is registration D-AILU. Just like the other one I reviewed, and comes with two CFM 56-5A5 engines. This one is also named Verdun, or Ferdin, depending on your accent. The side there. Oh, yeah, you can see there's Lu, and then Cosmo is a little bird that's like up there by the door, poking his head out. There's the plane there, and as you just saw, I did review the other one. It's the same plane, but updated markings. But that's it. That's it for that. Now, this one is a bit better, has better balance than the other one. It is all metal. The tail and the stabilizers are metal. Zero in here. There we go. Yeah, you can see the bird sticking his head out of the door there. Either that or they slam the door on his neck. But it says Airbus A319-100. It says Verdun underneath it. A little bit better detail to the window frames, and it's got the windshield wipers. Engines are a little more crisp looking. And on that last one, it did have a pretty big red light on there, but seems to be a little less paint on this one. There's the website right there for I believe that's for jetfriends.com. It's for kids to go online and look at. It's a registration. Oh yeah, of course, Lu. And that pretty much does it for that side. It's got the open APU on the back. It says Lu up on the tail. And you can see the bird there a little bit better. Cosmo. Yeah, he shows up a little bit better there. Alright. Let's flip this one over. Cargo doors, got the engines there. I think they used, they kind of used the same engines as the old one, though. They didn't really update that. And that's it. Do a little bit more of a side view here. Pretty good. You can see that good detail, or great detail to that front landing gear. So of course the bird there. And that does it. Alright. Yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Go ahead and see you guys in the next video, and I'll go decide which one I want to do next. Alright? Later, everyone.